What if I told you that in just a few weeks, your empty balcony or dull garden could explode into color without spending a fortune on plants? Most people wait for summer to pass, thinking it's too hot to grow anything. But here's the truth. Summer is actually the perfect time to sow some of the fastest, brightest flowers you'll ever grow. And the best part? A few tiny seeds planted today can completely transform your space in just a couple of months. Summer gardening doesn't need a big backyard or expert skills. Even a small sunny balcony is enough to create a vibrant, blooming corner. These summer flower seeds are easy to grow, beginner-friendly, and incredibly rewarding. Let's go through 8 of the best flowers you can sow right now for a colorful garden very soon. Zinnia is one of the fastest and most satisfying summer flowers you can grow from seed. It thrives in heat, produces bright, cheerful blooms, and starts flowering in just 6 to 8 weeks after sowing. The flowers come in a wide range of colors, making your garden look lively and full. As a bonus, zinnias attract butterflies and bees, bringing natural movement and life to your space. Marigold is a classic summer favorite that almost every gardener trusts. It handles intense heat easily, grows quickly, and begins blooming in around 45 to 60 days. The plants stay compact but produce a large number of bright flowers continuously. Another major advantage is that marigolds naturally repel many garden pests, helping protect nearby plants. Celosia stands out with its flame-like blooms and bold texture that instantly grabs attention. This plant loves warm weather and grows beautifully during summer with minimal care. Flowers usually appear within 6 to 8 weeks after sowing, adding vibrant structure to your garden. Celosia flowers also work wonderfully for dried arrangements, keeping their color for a long time. Gomphrena is perfect if you want long-lasting blooms that handle heat and dry conditions easily. The small globe-shaped flowers sit neatly above the foliage and keep blooming steadily through summer. It typically starts flowering around 8 weeks after sowing. Even after cutting, the flowers retain their shape and color, making them excellent for dry decorations. Ageratum produces clusters of soft, fluffy flowers that add a gentle texture to your garden. These compact plants are ideal for borders, small pots, and balcony containers. They usually bloom in about 8 to 10 weeks after sowing and continue flowering steadily. The blooms also attract butterflies, making your garden feel more alive. Alyssum creates a beautiful carpet of tiny flowers with a sweet, honey-like fragrance. It grows low and spreads nicely, making it perfect for edges, containers, and hanging baskets. Flowers typically appear in 6 to 8 weeks and fill the space quickly. The fragrance attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies while adding a soft, delicate look. Petunia is known for its vibrant, trumpet-shaped flowers that instantly brighten any space. It works beautifully in garden beds, pots, and hanging baskets, making it very versatile. Petunias usually start blooming in about 10 to 12 weeks after sowing and continue throughout summer. With regular care, the plant becomes covered in colorful flowers. Salvia brings tall spikes of striking blue flowers that add height and contrast to your garden. It tolerates heat well and grows reliably even in strong summer sun. Flowers begin appearing around 8 to 10 weeks after sowing and last for a long time. Salvias also attract butterflies and other pollinators, adding movement and energy to the garden. So if you want a colorful garden in just a few months, now is the perfect time to sow these summer flower seeds. A handful of seeds, a little sunlight, and basic care is all it takes to create something beautiful. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and start growing your summer garden today.